Many do-it-yourself caulking jobs fail after a year because preparation, material choice, and technique are often rushed or incorrect. Start by choosing the right caulk for the job, typically a high-quality silicone for wet areas and a paintable acrylic latex for dry trim. Remove all old caulk and residue with a putty knife and a dedicated caulk remover. Then clean the joint with isopropyl alcohol rather than soapy water so the new caulk can bond to a truly dry surface. Allow the substrate to fully dry. Trapped moisture under new caulk causes early failure. When applying, cut the tube nozzle at a small angle and smaller opening than you think you need to avoid overfilling. A steady, slow bead gives better adhesion than forcing a large amount. If sealing a tub or shower, fill the tub to its normal water level for a day or two before tooling to check for movement or settling that can open the joint. Tool the bead with a rounded utensil or a dedicated caulk finishing tool while the caulk is tacky, not fully set, to ensure proper contact and a smooth profile that sheds water. Finally, follow the manufacturer-specified cure time before exposing the joint to water. Silicone can take up to 24 hours to skin and up to 72 hours to fully cure depending on temperature and humidity. Homeowners commonly skip proper removal of old material and think that caulk will adhere to residue, which leads to separation and mold. Always remove old caulk and clean with alcohol so the new seal bonds to bare substrate. Another frequent mistake is using the wrong product, like using a non-silicone where continuous water exposure occurs, which causes breakdown. Choose product chemistry appropriate to the environment and check the label for mold resistance and joint movement capability. A third issue is tool and bead errors such as overfilling, undertooling, or tooling after the surface skins. Use a small nozzle, lay a steady bead, tool while tacky for even contact, and avoid cleaning tooling tools with soapy water that can transfer residues to the bead. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work by connecting them with project leads and homeowner questions. We also host a discussion community so users can share experiences, ask specific how-to questions, and get practical advice from other homeowners and tradespeople.